Between costumes and candy, Halloween can get super expensive, so having holiday fun around your house shouldn't be. Today's activity is an inexpensive one that combines both a craft and a game together. Hi, I'm Brittany with Family Fun Every Day, and today we are using pipe cleaners to create a spooky mood with spiders. For each spider that you make, you're going to need 5 black pipe cleaners. 4 will be used to be able to create the legs. To do that, just fold them together in half to get a center point, then unfold them and then just do a little twist in the center to create the main part of the body. You can twist the legs on the sides as well so that they can have the legs form around here. You can make them tall or short, however you want to do it. Then use that 5th pipe cleaner to create a body for the spider. So you're just going to simply roll it into a little roll that can then sit on the top of the spider, and you can use the end of it to just kind of secure it on as well. Then you get to have lots of fun decorating. So you may want to have a mix of just your basic googly eyes, or they have these little wiggle ring eyes that you can normally get for 8 of them for about $1 or so, just at Walmart or the dollar store. And then just have fun putting them together. If you want to make the spider a little bit more spooky, you can use red pipe cleaners to make him more frightening in the front. And then you just put the eyes in right here, so this one has a fun little approach, and then afterward they can play with the wiggly eyes. Or, let's get that. There we go, it looks a little bit better now. Or you can just use wiggly eyes here. We have tons of different eyes on them to make them spookier as well. Or you can just do like the super friendly one, where he just looks happy with a couple little googly eyes on there. And then you can have that as the activity. Once you're done, if you want to turn it into a game, find just some paper curling ribbon that you normally use for gift wrap, tie it around the center of the spider, and now he's ready to hang and move around. Hopefully you won't scare anybody too much, right? And he can jump and have fun playing with him. And then for the game, you're just going to simply use this string and put it over the edge of a tabletop or a counter, and then you're going to let the spider start crawling down. And you have one person who's not playing who can put a spider web on the ground. We use little placemats that you can get at Target, or you can create your own just on a piece of paper. And then once you're gonna have one person hide the web down where the other players can't see it. And then once they're ready to play, they're gonna send that spider, let him crawl down on the web over the edge, and whoever the first person is to match the spider with the spider web is the winner. Or if you want to play one person at a time, you can have it where each person gets one chance, or maybe 2 or 3, whatever you want within there. And then they're going to try and drop it down, see if they landed on the spider. If they did, they get a prize. If not, then it's the next person's turn as well. So there is our little spooky spiders from Pipe Cleaner activity. We hope that you have a fun time with it. And if you did, and if you enjoy this with your family, be sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. If you want to see more Halloween fun, we'll put some other links down below in the description, or you can link to them right here as well. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe so you can see lots more fun. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye!